Hello everyone, this is Kimmy Kim and welcome to my channel. Today I have a wonderful July 2022 box from Sue at Paper Inspiration. She has a new subscription box. I believe next month she may have subscriptions up and running. As of now, I know it was a month-to-month basis, and this is the second month, and I was lucky enough to get 2 months in a row. So this box came, and look how beautiful the detail is. It's so pretty, and I love how it's set up with the date, so that if I want to put it on my shelf, I can, I'll have the dates and everything. And then you open it up, and she's got a beautiful doily. It's got her website, Paper Inspirations, and I have a new setup today, so I have no idea what we can see here. I'm just totally winging it. So let's see, you can see it says the paperinspirations.com.au, and I will link that down below. And I did take a peek at my letter, and it was just welcome to our second mystery box, and much love, Sue. And let's see, she is on Facebook as well, so I can link that as well. And thank you, Sue. So excited. So it came all the way from Australia. Oh my goodness. It looks delicious already. Oh my goodness, hot chocolate. I'm loving it. I love chocolate. So hot chocolate is perfect for me. It's perfectly fitting for Sue too. She's in a cold climate right now. And we've got some beautiful stamps. I'm going to take these out so we can take a peek. See if I can get this out. I have no idea if I'm in frame. I'm not sure if I'm liking the new setup. Might have to open this a little bit. Yeah, my sister talked me into this new setup. Oh, she swears by it. Takes wonderful pictures. Tripod works wonderful. Well, I can't get it set up for nothing. Oh, I love it. See, it's got the butterflies. Butterflies and some script and some stamping. It's really pretty. I love it, Sue. Loving it. Let's see what's in here. Oh, and she has the most lovely trims. I'm guilty of buying many of them at a time. Oh, I love it. It's like it's a cotton. It feels like a cotton. It's really nice. And I'm assuming she dyed this herself. It's really, really pretty. And I can't wait to use them on my tags and things. Enclosures for journals. You'll have to forgive me if I'm really low. It's kind of late in the evening. It is almost 3 in the morning. And I fly out tomorrow. This is Thursday, the 15th of July. And I fly out in the morning. Unfortunately, my mother is very sick again. Oh, look, it's got the confetti. And so I'll be going back to Houston for about a month. I love this paper that she wraps it in. I love her little logo. Of course, I need scissors to get in here. I knew it. Let me grab some scissors. Okay, so I'm liking the new setup as far as the lighting goes. It's much better than those shadows and whatnot that I had before. I hate to tear this because it's so beautiful, but it's all taped up. Oh, I love these. They're like little bookmarks. I love them. Ink them. You could put what do you call it? An eyelid in it and make it a tag. There's so much you could do with them. They're really, really pretty. And of course, all her, I believe that, correct me if I'm wrong, Sue, I believe all her themes of the box, it's all botanical, is the theme. so right up my alley. I'm gonna have to cut this. I'm really hoping this video turns out, because like I don't want to, like, I opened it and then oops, can't show it now because I opened it all and made a mess. I love the confetti, the touch of the confetti in here, and the little swirlies. She's got a little washi on there. Oh, it must be a sneak peek to the washi that's inside. Look at that. I love it. Let's take a peek at it. I'm anxious to see. I got a new washi. I looked everywhere for a rack, like, to hold all my washies. I looked and looked and looked and searched washi containers, washi racks. Little did I know, a spice rack works. So yeah, that was a new discovery for me. And then a good friend of mine, Tammy from My World No KC, sent me one. She's so sweet. Knowing that I would definitely fill up my one washi rack, right? I'm trying to do this carefully without tearing it. It's just going to happen a little bit. And I have no nails. I have like craft fingers. I just can't craft with nails, y'all. I can't do the manicure nail thing because I just get ink and oh, my nails are awful. Oh, I love it. Okay, so it's lined. I love that. I love it. It's script. It's really, really pretty. I'm loving that. And I like it. I even like it more because it has the lining there, so I don't destroy it like I just destroyed that. And this is gorgeous. Look how she made these little tins. All the great detail. And now Sue makes all these, you know, herself. And it's a lot of work. Let's see, how do I open this? I have arthritis in my thumbs, so this is a challenge for me. Oh, beautiful. What a clever idea. Some stamps, some botanical stamps. Oh, I'm going to use these in my, what do you call it? My prompt journal. I already have a plan for them, for a couple of them. I love them. Y'all will have to give me feedback on what you think of, like, the lighting and setup here, because I can't see. The tripod is so high. I don't know if I'm in frame. I don't know if I'm out of frame. My setup before was totally different. This is gorgeous. And I'm guessing she made this. She made this box. I'm certain of it. And she did some fussy cut. Okay, can I get this out? How do I do this? I don't want to cut it. Will it unwrap? Let me see. I think I need more coffee. Okay, see, she's attached the fussy cut there, so. Oh, look, what a nice surprise. I love it. Loving it. All the beautiful stickers. Roses and all kinds of, oh, look at that's lovely. I love that. I don't know if you can see that very well. Oh, lotus flower. A lot of variety. I love it. I saw cherry blossoms in there. Lots of different things. And I love that you can store it in this box too. It can be like all pretty on your craft table. Oh, I'm loving this too. I'm just loving it all, Sue. She made like a vellum pocket with the tag and some wax seals. The bee, her favorite bee. I love that. Okay, now silly question for y'all. I've not done wax seals before. I know, sounds crazy. I have like a gazillion craft things. Now I have the supplies to make them, and I've just recently got the stamps to make them, but I don't know, like, what's the gold stuff that you put over it to get the print, you know, to get the imprint there? What is that? What is it I'm missing that I need to buy? Please tell me. Because I make them, I've tried, but they're just plain. I need to give it a little pizzazz or something. This is gorgeous. What a beautiful stamp. I love that stamp. Now Sue makes these labels too. I've bought those labels from her. Let's see here. Okay, time for scissors. I don't want to destroy it. Let's see here. I don't want to, there's like paper or something in there. I don't want to cut it. All right, it's always on camera when you can't figure out what you're doing, right? Let's see, there we go. I'm anxious to see. Ooh, lots of goodies in here. These are great for like bullet journals. So on craft paper, on like a white creamy kind of paper. There's lots of them. And more. I love that it has the numbers on them too. Some vellum ones. Oh, they're so pretty. Really pretty. I just love the presentation too. Like everything's all wrapped nice and pretty, and the time that Sue took to put each and every one of these together. Now, I don't know how many she made, but I know it was a lot. I think these are envelopes. Little confettis. Let's see. Again, a knot. Sue, you're just not letting me get in these things, are you? Especially, you know, I have no nails. Like literally nothing. Nada. Okay, I think I might have it. Bear with me, y'all. Hang with me. I got it. Yay! And some pretty, yep, they are envelopes. I love it, the box. The birds. A reindeer. Oh, these are great for journals. And this one here. Put someone's name on there. That's lovely. I love it. And what do we have? Oh my God, there's more goodies all down here. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so she tea dyed, and look at the pattern on that bag. I love how she does that. I've yet to master that. These are beautiful. Look at the daisies. I don't know if y'all can see that. I love the sage green. And these are perfect for little journals. Journals and tags. Very pretty. What is this? There's more, there's more. And these are, oh, these are the bags. Oh my gosh, Sue, I love these. Oh, I love it. I was just bragging about this bag, and then there they are. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. I love it. And are these glassine bags? Can't tell. And then we have more. This is beautiful. Let's see, it says, can you find the French cottage paper kit in Sam's Etsy store? Sam Poole Designs. I have used a digital kit by Sam Poole to make these envelopes. Oh, nice. I love it. Oh, she even put goodies in there. I really love this. Okay, let's see what goodies we got in here. Ooh. I love these little jars. I have them in frame, y'all. Oh, there's so many of them. I love with the butterflies, mushrooms, love the mushrooms. Oh, I got new mushroom decor in my craft room. I'll have to show y'all next time because it's up high on a shelf. I collect mushrooms. So I have, most of them are in my living room, but I do have a few in my craft room. So I'm loving this. I'm definitely going to go check out Sam Poole Designs for this digital kit. That's gorgeous. So that's the kit, y'all. That's for July 2022. Let me pick up my mess. And I will be putting out a couple more videos, but they're going to be pre-recorded. I'm hoping to get them recorded this evening. I do leave tomorrow afternoon to Houston to take care of my mom. So please send good vibes, lots of love, lots of hugs, and because she really needs them. So thanks for watching, y'all, and as always, be kind to one another. And I will link below of Sue's store web address and her her YouTube channel, and you can go check her out. Lots of good stuff. Take care, y'all, and be kind to one another.